Now I will show you this last technology that is a nano-fat grafting to the face. We remove some fat from the belly and then we prepare like this way, and we get just a little injections on all your face. You can find this treatment and other more treatments in Panama Plastic Surgery. Look. We just finished. We'll place fat transfer to the face, and that improves all the skin quality. Stay tuned so you can see the result. If this is your case, please contact to our social media, our website. Remember, I'm Dr. Panama. This is Panama Plastic Surgery, and we are changing lives.